Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber if you are new here, and if you can't already tell by my eyebrows or by the title, I am going to be showing you how I achieve my eyebrows. So one side is like an everyday, more of a softer brow, and this side is more of a glam, like full face of makeup type of eyebrow. So that this video is not too long, I'm going to split it into two videos. So for this video, we are going to just focus on this side, which is the more everyday brow that you would do. And then the second video will be of this one. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you can make sure you don't miss the upload of this tutorial if you are more of a this brow over this brow, or you just want both. So without further ado, so this video again doesn't get too long, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into how I achieved this look. Alright you guys, so starting off the video, we're just going to take a simple razor blade. You can get these at your local beauty supply store, and I am just using that to clean up under my brows, because with this virus and everything, I am just not too sure about getting my eyebrows waxed or anything, so doing it myself, just a quick little cleanup, and I'm going to do that to the bottom as well as the top. Next, I am taking my favorite eyebrow pencil, which is by NYX. It is their micro brow, and I'm using the shade Espresso because as you can see, my eyebrows are a little bit darker. So I'm using that to just fill in my tail end first. I always work with my tail end, starting from the middle of the brow, going towards the end. I never start at the front. You don't want your brows to be blocky or too thick or too dark. So just a simple fill-in for the first part. Now I am starting to work my way slowly towards the front. I'm not starting to fill it out yet. I just start with a short line, I bring it back, and then I start blending it into the rest of my brow. And then now I start making small strokes going upward to try to mimic hairs, because I don't want to necessarily fill in my front, because that's how you get that blocky look. I want the front to look as natural as possible, because as you can see, my front of my eyebrows are gone. I don't know why, but they are gone. So I try to mimic little short hair strokes as I can. Okay, and so now this step is optional. This is a pomade, and I'm using the one by MORPHE. I am using this because, as I said, my eyebrows are struggle brows, so I have a lot of spaces in them. So this pomade is a little bit darker, so it can fill in my sparse areas. So I'm again starting at the tail end and just filling in those little spots that I have there. I never really, for a natural brow, I never take a pomade to my front. It's just a no. Now going in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm using just this nice little angled brush. You can use whatever type of flat brush that you have. I just want to be able to get as close as possible under my brows to clean up whatever hairs I wasn't able to get with the razor, and just to give it a nice clean look, clean up any mistakes I made. And just like with filling in my brows, I always start at the tail end with the concealer, because that's why I want to do most of my cleaning up and to give me that nice arch look. Then I work my way to the front with whatever's left on the brush. I don't add any more, and just clean up towards the front as well. Now for the top of my brow, since my natural eyebrow look, I normally don't have foundation on. I'm using a concealer that is closer to my skin tone, It's not an exact match, but it's not as light as the LA Pro Girl. So this is a concealer by Giorgio Armani. You could definitely find a LA Pro Girl concealer in this shade. This is just what I had on hand, and I'm using that to just clean up on top. I don't like to clean the top of my brow with a light concealer because then it's hard to blend that out, especially when you're not wearing foundation. And of course here, we're just going to blend everything out. We're not going to leave this like this. We're going to blend this out. So you definitely want to get a nice little fluffy brush and blend out the bottom, especially so that you don't have that just awkward demarcation of your skin and the lighter concealer. And then also do that to the so after you're done blending, that is the last step. And this is the basic brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, so I hope you guys like this tutorial on my everyday brow. Just something short and simple and sweet. Something I like to throw on when I'm wearing no makeup or on the days where I'm doing like a really light makeup and I don't want to do too much. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were able to get something from it. All products used will be listed down below since this was a voiceover. So everything that I showed you, everything I mentioned will be down below, so you can go ahead and click the links and go ahead and purchase those if you want to try out this look yourself. So thank you for watching this video, and go ahead and like this video. Hopefully you liked it, and comment down below how you like the look, if you're going to try the look yourself, and of course any other videos that you want to see from me. So this video is done with. If you want to watch some more, I am going to link over here or over here a video for you to watch while you wait for my upload on my glam brow. See you guys. Bye.